But I'd say, like, in the absence of there being a fundamental technology discontinuity in the form of electrification and autonomy, both of them together, I think a new car company cannot succeed. So now I'll tell you, like, actually the real reason that new car companies cannot succeed, or why it's very hard for them to succeed. And this was first told to me by this automotive investor when I was at Axel Springer headquarters getting a Golden Steering Wheel award. And this guy was apparently like the best automotive investor in the world, comes up to me and like he's like, "Ha, I know why you're going to fail." I'm like, "Well, please tell me." I can think of several reasons.
Tell me when I don't know.
Yes, and he said he said that the car companies don't make any money on the new car sales. They make all of their money selling parts to cars to the existing fleet.